Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to use the technique of folding paper to create multiple shapes of the same size, okay? So obviously you can cut a shape, a singular shape, anytime with your scissors if you need a shape. But what if you needed many shapes? You would fold the paper, like what happens when we fold a paper and cut a shape? Cutting both papers. You're cutting the top and the bottom. Let's see. So I'm going to cut a oval, and once I do that, I have two ovals because I folded the paper. Now, what happens if I fold the paper twice? So once and again. And then we cut the shape. Let's try it. I'm gonna cut maybe now an organic shape. A silly organic shape. And how many of these silly organic shapes am I gonna get? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might be wondering, what would this be useful for? This would be useful if you're making butterflies and you're making mirror images of each other. So both sides will be exactly the same. Also, what I use it for is to make flowers. So when you fold the paper 3 or more times, you can make petals. So I fold once, 2 times, 3 times, and the petals don't have to be petal shaped. They could be triangular. I'm gonna cut a traditional petal, but just know that it doesn't always have to look like this. It could be triangle, it could be rectangle, it could be oval. So here are the petals. Let me cut a circle for the center so you can really get an idea. Here's the circle, and we're going to glue down our petals. Oops, this one had a little hole in it. That's okay. We can actually fix it. There. Same here. You just work with it. Okay. There. And look, all the shapes are identical. You can even have some overlapping if you want. You can just organize them however you want. All right. So there you go. Folding paper to cut multiple shapes that are going to end up being identical. Have fun.